If you need to reset your GOG password, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can get back into your account fast. Whether you forgot your password or just want to update it for security, this tutorial will help you do it correctly from start to finish. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com. Once the website loads, look for your profile area in the top corner and click the profile drop-down menu. This is where GOG keeps your account options, so you want to open that menu first before making any changes. From the drop-down list, click Orders and Settings. This will take you to your account management area where you can control your profile details, purchases, and security settings. On this page, look for the Login and Security section and click it. This is the part of your account where password options are located. Now that you are in the security settings, find the option that says Change Password and click it. GOG may ask you to log in again to confirm that it is really you. If that happens, enter your account login details and continue. This extra step helps protect your account before any password changes are made. After you confirm your identity, GOG will send a password reset email to the email address linked to your account. Open your inbox and look for the message from GOG. If you do not see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder just in case it landed there. Once you find the email, open it and follow the instructions inside to create a new password. When choosing your new password, make sure it is strong and unique. Try to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters so your account stays secure. After you save the new password, go back to GOG and log in with your updated credentials to make sure everything works properly. And that's it. You've successfully reset your GOG password. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to click, and now your account is secure again. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.